This natural face mask deeply cleanses and smooths the skin. It helps brighten the complexion and reduce dullness, gently removes dead skin cells, revealing a fresh, glowing look, keeps the skin soft, hydrated, and healthy with regular use. Your skin becomes naturally radiant and beautiful. The secret to beauty lies in nature's care. Hello dears, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will prepare a homemade lemon and honey facial mask to naturally make your skin look younger and smoother, and give it a natural glow. We need lemon for this recipe. If you want to whiten your skin, you can use lemon. Lemon is a natural skincare product. It reduces oiliness on the skin and helps with acne. Vitamin C in lemon reduces wrinkles and rejuvenates the skin, whitens and smooths your skin, reduces dark spots and pores on the face. Dear viewers, from which country are you watching my videos? Please write it in the comments. I'd love to know where you're from. If you love natural beauty, anti-aging remedies, and homemade skincare recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Let's stay beautiful the natural way, together. Now we add half a tablespoon of honey to our mask. Dear friends, I want to tell you about the benefits of honey for facial skin. Retains moisture. Honey is a natural moisturizer. It penetrates the deep layers of the skin and retains moisture. As a result, the skin becomes soft and smooth. Fights acne. Honey contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory substances. Therefore, it reduces acne, inflammation, and blackheads. Honey brightens the complexion. Honey softens dead skin cells on the skin and gives it a natural glow. As a result of regular use, the skin becomes clearer and acquires a healthy tone. Protects against wrinkles. Honey contains many antioxidants. They protect the skin from free radicals and slow down the aging process. Provides a mild peeling effect when honey is applied to the face. It gently removes dead cells. It acts as a natural peeling. This natural face mask deeply cleanses and smooths the skin. It helps brighten the complexion and reduce dullness, gently removes dead skin cells, revealing a fresh, glowing look, keeps the skin soft, hydrated, and healthy with regular use. Your skin becomes naturally radiant and beautiful. The secret to beauty lies in nature's care. So if you are looking for a recipe to make your face beautiful, try this. Now all you have to do is soak one of the lemon slices and massage it on your face. Now you massage it, you don't have to squeeze the lemon on your face. If you don't have acne, if you have acne scars, then you squeeze it. But if you just want to get rid of acne, you don't need to squeeze it. Just rub it like this, no squeezing. Rub it to get rid of wrinkles on your face and have a younger face. Try this mask and write the result in the comments. It contains ingredients that help keep your face younger. So all you have to do is massage it on your face. After massaging it, leave it for 5 minutes and then wash it off. Hello dears, welcome to our channel. Baby oil and coffee will make you look younger no matter your age. Anti-aging mask to remove wrinkles, tighten the skin of the face and neck, remove wrinkles under the eyes and dark circles, as well as wrinkles on the forehead. For today's recipe, we need bananas. Anti-wrinkle benefits of bananas rich in antioxidants. Bananas contain vitamin C and polyphenols, which eliminate free radicals. This slows down the rapid aging of the skin. Vitamin A, retinol-like effect, accelerates skin cell renewal, softens dry areas, and reduces fine lines. Vitamin E increases skin elasticity, provides deep hydration, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Potassium and magnesium nourishes and moisturizes the skin, making it smooth and youthful. Zinc supports collagen production and helps maintain skin elasticity. Natural exfoliant. The enzymes in bananas gently exfoliate dead skin cells and renew the skin. For this reason, bananas are often called natural Botox. They help keep skin youthful, moisturized, and firm. We add baby oil to the mask. A small glass of milk. Make a coffee mask. Small amount of mixture. Add a teaspoon of coffee. Anti-aging benefits of coffee for skin rich in antioxidants. Coffee contains polyphenols and flavonoids that neutralize free radicals, slowing down premature skin aging. Improves blood circulation. When applied topically, coffee boosts blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to skin cells for a fresher look. Boosts collagen production. Coffee helps stimulate collagen, which improves skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Reduces puffiness and dark circles. Caffeine in coffee decreases excess fluid under the skin, minimizing puffiness and tightening the delicate under-eye area. Exfoliates and smooths skin. Ground coffee acts as a natural scrub, removing dead skin cells and promoting skin regeneration. That's why coffee-based masks and scrubs are widely used in anti-aging skincare to keep the skin youthful, firm, and radiant. Apply the mask all over your face and under your eyes. apply a third layer of coffee mask and place a Kleenex paper on top. Then leave it on for another 10 minutes. Total time 30 minutes. Use this mask 4 times a week. You can leave it in the refrigerator for 4 days. Then rinse. Second recipe, a quantity of the mixture. A spoonful of rice powder. Leave the mask on your face and neck for 15 minutes, then massage gently. Then remove it with warm water. Wash your face again with cold water, then moisturize your skin. Apply the mask every day. You can keep it in the refrigerator for a week. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. If you liked the video, click like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.